What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Angel, and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I'm bringing to you a hair video. I'm not gonna call it a tutorial, but I'm just gonna show you my process of applying a lace front wig. This is a outre wig. It's the outre melted hairline wig collection, and this is in the style Celine. So Celine comes in different colors. This time I have it in the color 1B, and I actually purchased this unit before. And funny story, I mistakenly put this unit in the washing machine, and that was the end of it. And I told myself it was such a nice unit, I have to get it again. So yeah, this is my second time purchasing this unit of hair, and I loved it. It's a side part unit, so the side part falls on the left side of your head and comes with 2 combs in the front and elastic band. It comes with lace for the part and the lace around the hairline, and it also has a comb at the back with adjustable straps at the back as well. So here I am taking my foundation and I am applying it to the lace of the wig. And you don't want to put the foundation directly on the lace, but you want to put it on something first, apply it to the brush, and then apply it to the lace. I put on the wig, and I have not done anything to the hairline. I haven't cut the lace as yet, and it looks so natural already. So I am taking the excess hair out of the wig. I'm getting ready to apply some spray to the lace. Alright, so in this video I'm not gonna be doing the ball cap method. This is just like a quick on the go method of applying the lace. So this is the Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray, extra mega hole, and this spray, let me tell you something. This spray here, this is all you need. Like, this is all you need. Just spray this once, apply to your hair once, put a band on your head, girl. Put that band on your head. If you want to run a blow dryer on it, you don't even have to run a blow dryer on it. Just put that band on your head. They sit there for, let me say, like a 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and you good to go, sister. That lace glue, let me tell you, that lace glue, that's real work, real thing, real work. Anyway, so next I took off the headband and I'm now cutting the excess lace from the wig. I'm using a scissors, and I'm not cutting, I'm actually just dragging the scissors along the front of the wig. That's to give it that kind of unfinished cut look, so it would blend even more seamlessly. Now I'm just taking some concealer and I'm applying it to my lace along the part. Yeah, and I'm taking a brush now and I'm just blending that out so the line isn't too hard. I don't like when the line is too hard. It looks like a mannequin head, you know. I don't like the lines to be too harsh, so I just blend it out with a brush. And this is the look. I did my edges off camera, and this is the finished look. I love this wig. The outre melted hairline collection of wigs is just one of the best. And it didn't take much to put on this wig. I did not have a curling iron at the time of filming this video, so I did not curl it and whatnot, but it still looks really good. And this is out the box, just taking it and putting it on my head, not doing anything too much. So I hope that you like this video, and I hope that you would give this hairline a try. I have it linked in the description of this video. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you in my next one. Toodles.